All right, y'all, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because today we are going to be going over Bitcoin technical analysis, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And we're going to be talking about some different scenarios and how we as traders can prepare for anything that comes our way. Because the important thing about being a trader is that no matter what happens, if Bitcoin continues up or if it goes down, we can have a plan. We can make money on this volatility. And indeed, guys, we have been doing so. So let's get into this. First of all, on the daily time frame, nobody would deny the fact that we are in a very clear downtrend. Ever since topping out at 69K, we put in a low, a lower high, put in a lower low, a lower high, put in a lower low, a lower high, and now we have officially put in a lower low. But Bitcoin has found support at a very crucial area, and that is this 41,000-ish area, okay? Actually, the exact level that Bitcoin did find support at was around this low of $40,400, but we can see here on the daily time frame, we were unable to close the candle below this important level of $41,274, which was the wick that we came down to on the 4th or the 3rd, depending on your time frame, of January. So if we look at the daily time frame, a few things become quite apparent. Number one, we can see on market Cipher B, momentum is coming up, right? Momentum is coming up. We can see that we did form these bullish divergences as we were trading in this descending wedge right here, this falling wedge. With the bullish divergences on market Cipher B, we broke out of that. Now we have seen another red dot confirm. Money flow is coming down. However, it looks like momentum is about to bottom out on the daily time frame, which means we very well may get a move to the upside from here since we are holding support. However, it's important to notice that Bitcoin is trading sideways right here. And if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that for the past few days, the past 3 days actually, we've just been trading sideways, kind of flirting with this level. And whenever we see an asset kind of consolidating on a support, it's usually, not always, but it usually is a bearish thing. And the reason is because if you are in a downtrend, the trend is your friend. And because we didn't experience a very juicy bounce from this level, it makes me prepare myself for further downside. So we can look on the 4-hour time frame and even see that we are building momentum to the upside as we consolidate on the support, which does give us some bullish hintings. Okay, even on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that momentum and money flow seem to be coming up as we consolidate on the support. However, it is a weekend. So proposition number one, scenario number one, is that we do get a move to the upside from the support. Now, currently myself and many others are in long positions. We've been taking longs in this range in the VIP Discord for a while. In fact, I posted the other day in the VIP Discord that we took this juicy short right here from about 47.2 up in massive profits. This was the trade setup that we did post in advance in the VIP Discord. Then we've been longing these little bounces down here from these important supports. Again, these are trade setups that we do give in advance in the VIP Discord. As you can see, we post them here. By the way, if you do want to get into the Discord where we post our daily technical analysis updates as well as potential trade setups, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. It's a really great trading community. If you guys want to learn how to trade the way we trade, if you want to find those juicy setups, if you have been struggling to become a confident, profitable trader, if you're a struggling trader, check out jasoncaspertrading.com because this course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader. Even if you've never looked at a chart before, you can check out these testimonials here. You will learn technical analysis, basic technical analysis to teach you how to look for levels on a chart so that you can find those trade setups, how to use the indicators so that you can know how to enter a trade and exit a trade. 5 profitable trading strategies as well as mindset and risk management. There's currently a 20% discount in the description of the video. Make sure to check it out while you can. So we've been scalping this up and down in here, but another possibility is that we do break below the support. And if we do break below the support, here is a bearish scenario that actually ends with a bullish twist, because if we come down lower, I think we could at least get some relief, guys, because we've been in a downtrend for a while and there's a lot of shorts that need to get absolutely wrecked. There's a lot of shorts that need to get absolutely destroyed right now. And so here's kind of what my thought process is. If we go over down here to the volume for the year of 2021, and indeed it's the beginning stages of 2022, and I am going to pop that open. Where is that? Right here. Pop. Nope, that's not it. Well, this is an important level of the yearly open, but What am I looking for? Right here. Two very important levels here, guys. First of all, we do have the yearly value area low coming in at about $39,500. Now, the reason why this is such an important level is because if we look at the year of 2021 and the beginning of 2022, even though most people consider 2021 having been a bull market, we can see 2021 has not been a bull market. What has been a bull market is 2020, right, where we started Bitcoin being very, very low down here at about 3,000 and came all the way up to about 65,000. But then once we got to 65,000, y'all, and 2021 was full in bloom, we were trading from a very clearly defined low at about 30K to a clearly defined high at about 65K, back down to the low, back up to the high. And now we're heading back down to these lows. And so if we do come lower, there are some very important areas of support that we need to be aware of. Now, first of all, an area that I am looking to potentially get into a long would be this $39,500 area. And the reason for that is because we can see that literally is the value area low, where if price comes below that area, over an entire year of price action, this will be considered oversold for Bitcoin based only on volume. Okay, we can also see that this level has acted as a very clear support right here. Okay, we actually did wick down to here back in September, getting a bounce off that exact level. So this general zone is very clear support. Another level that we need to be aware of is if we go to July back in the summer, and I have so many folders here. I'm actually about to do my redo my TA and live stream it in my VIP Discord. If we come back here to July, we can see that we have the value area high from this little chunk of price action coming in around that same zone. And then also we can see right here at about $36.7 thousand, we have the value area low for this chunk of price action that we traded since the summer to the Bitcoin all-time high. And so if we're going to draw out a box right here, we can see that a very probable area for us to look for longs would be this box right here, this box of volume where we have many, many significant volume levels of support and resistance. Now, if we do come down to this box, guys, notice what this would look like on a daily time frame. Okay, if we get a little move to the upside right here, and then we get another drop down into the box, this would then give us the coveted, guys.
We need to be aware of the fact that we could get the coveted, okay? We'll be watching for the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on market Cipher B, okay? What is the uneven butt cheek pattern? The uneven butt cheek pattern is where you have the juice, left the butt cheek right over here, nice and big, nice and plump, lots of ravioli inside, okay? And then you got the right butt cheek over here. The right butt cheek over here is that skinny old lady at the diner who smokes too much with the Brooklyn accent, all right? She's super skinny, all right? Hey, Dolores, get over here. This guy needs another cup of coffee, all right? Needs another cup of coffee.
The coveted, guys. Bullish divergence on market Cipher B on the daily time frame, where we would not only have divergences over time from the December 3rd low, but we would also have divergences locally, right, from January 9th to potentially maybe sometime later in this week. Now, something else that this would do, which I think is an interesting proposition, is, like I said, a lot of shorts need to get wrecked. And what we have right here is a giant, a massive potential head and shoulders pattern. Okay, and a lot of people are looking at this, and a lot of people are potentially going to short the breakdown of the head and shoulders, which would give us a target down at about 15K, okay, which is what people are calling for, including Peter Schiff, okay. And I was on Around the Blockchain the other day, and Mind Your Business, check out his YouTube channel, by the way. He brought up a really good point that Bitcoin, just the network itself running on electricity, would make one Bitcoin worth about $15,000. So, you know, if we're going to just go based on the proof of work that Bitcoin takes to run the network, 15K is a fair price. However, like I said, a lot of shorts, they need to be punished. Why? Because they've been leveraging their shorts at support, and they need to get wrecked. We need to squeeze them. And so what would be a really nice scenario is we do lose the head and shoulders, a whole bunch of people short, okay? And then we get a short squeeze kind of thing from here with the bullish divergences on the daily time frame and downward, okay? That is another scenario, guys. So if we are able to hold this box, even if we break down out of this massive head and shoulders, guys, massive head and massive shoulder. These deltoids are absolutely jacked, guys. More jacked than my deltoids. They are jacked, all right? And the thing is, if we break down from here, I think we could very easily have a fake out or at least some kind of a relief rally coming back up to another area of major resistance, potentially even the yearly open, before coming down lower. Okay, so that is kind of what I'm thinking with the Bitcoin, guys. If we do lose this box, let's say we lose this box right here, this white box, then the next major area, then maybe we could put 15K on the table for a little bit. But if we take a fib retracement tool from the dump of the Roni Moni up to the all-time high, we can see that we do have some massive support coming in at about 26,000 to 29,000. And if we turn on our Siete Ocho Seis fib level, we can see that back down in the teens, 17K, potentially even down to the 15K area. Okay, this little box here, we do have some support. So even though these numbers are far away, before we jump the gun and say Bitcoin is going full-blown bear market, we have to understand that these supports are far away. And as long as we don't lose this golden pocket, guys, I don't think there's any fear for like Bitcoin going back down that low. Because again, clearly defined low, clearly defined high, clearly defined low, clearly defined high, clearly defined low, clearly defined high. Who knows? Maybe this is a giant W pattern, guys. I don't know. That being said, God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I pray everyone's super blessed. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure to like the dang video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace!